someone dropped me an Amazon package at a locker near me, which I think is one of the best ideas. Yeah. So we're gonna go pick it up. I was told it's 5 packages with containing 8 items, and then I can do an unboxing and then maybe a try on. See what's in them. All right, I picked up my packages from my Amazon locker, and now I'm going to open them. No idea. What someone sent me. I love it. A little snip snip here, snip snip there. Bad bitch everywhere. Thank you for the gifts. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Is it snap? No, no snap. Okay, that's fine. Adjustable straps. I could possibly show this one over on my OnlyFans if you meet me over there. What's this one? Okay, Lord have mercy. It's just a string. Oh my god. Okay. I love the yellow. Ooh. What? My tricks. Okay. This is tiny. I don't know if that's gonna cover Mamacita. I did not get scissors. Oh my god. This color. I love this color. Is this, oh my god, it's like a honey burdette dupe. Is this like the blue one I have? Yes. What is happening? God, that's hot. That's a back. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I don't think I could get it back in that bag. From Avid Love on Amazon. Oh, that's cute. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that shiny, like gold finger. That would be cute for Halloween. I could dress up. Ooh, I gotta think of some Halloween content now. So exciting to get gifts, you guys. Okay. I thought it said naughty but nice, but it says naughty butt dice. On your butt. coconut massage oil. And one more outfit. Wow. Wow. What? How cute. Oh, it's like a, let's go on my hand. Oh, cute. Cute. And the top. Now I feel like it's so narrow. Like it's so, these are just, not gonna fit. Like, do you see? It's just so tiny. Okay. Moving on. Well, that's the hand piece. So is there, there's the thong. Ooh, and it's adjustable. Love that again. You guys, you know that. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. I'm super excited about this one.